climbing Phelps Mountain today. It's gonna be probably a 7-hour hike.
And I'm a idiot. Coffee all over my shirt.
That's what happens when you try and film and drink coffee at the same time.
Don't film and drink.
Yeah, I already got a speed ticket today, $100. Or not speeding, parking ticket. Not a speed.
Your objective is to do the 46 peaks, right, this year?
Yeah, so I want to climb all 46 Adirondacks high peaks.
Yeah.
I've done 4 so far, so this is going to be the 5th one. And I'm planning on going every weekend, not spending too much cash, because I'm bringing everything over, only gas pretty much.
Yeah, it's really not that bad. Gas was like $30.
Yeah.
There and back, and it's a 3.5-hour drive from Ottawa. And the peak we're doing this weekend is Mount Phelps, which is about a 7-hour hike there and back, and 10 miles, I think, 10 miles total.
Something of the sort.
So, yeah.
I'm not quite sure these.
So this is our campsite for the night. You walk in, it's a free campsite. There's a couple that were already taken, but it's pretty sweet. It's our home for the night. Got our tent, got our bathroom right here, and it's kind of chilly. It's like actually it's 9 degrees. One more mile to our destination.